Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do ice water experiment. So we have taken two bottles and we should fill the water and then keep in the freezer. Then we'll show you the trick. So now we are going to fill the water. We are filling water right now. Now we are filling the another bottle. Guys, now we are going to put both the water bottle in the freezer. We have filled the bottle little bit, you can see. Now let's go to the freezer. And guys, we are going to open the freezer and place the water bottle. Now we'll see the water bottle after 3 hours. Guys, after 3 hours we'll take the water bottle and see a trick with the ice water. After 3 hours we are taking the water bottle from the freezer. So here's the water bottle, the small one. This has become into ice. So this cannot be done to further explain. So now we are taking the big water bottle.
Slowly take it without shaking.
Yes.
Now we are going to do the experiment.
Guys, now we have taken up the ice water and kept here. So now we should hit it hardly in the ground. Then you can see the reaction. What happens to the water bottle? Now we are going to hit 3, 2, 1. Guys, this is the ice experiment.
After hitting, you can see the ice. Because of this vapor, you can't see this ice vapor. If not, see the ice is formed inside. Yes, inside the bottle. Let's open and see.
You should put water in the freezer for 3 hours and then take it and throw it in the ground. It forms into ice. So this experiment is success.
You can see the ice. This is the ice that has been formed. Yes. So this is the ice that has been formed because this vapor is there. You cannot see it. Yeah, see, you can see it revolving. This is the ice that has been formed inside. Now you can see it. Yeah, see. So this experiment is a success. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. You can try this at home.
Please like, share, comment and click the bell button for more video. Bye.